With the DataStax extension for GitHub Copilot, you can use natural language to interact with your AstraDB databases and get information to help you build applications with AstraDB. Let's have a look at what you can do. I have a project open here. It's a RAG-powered chatbot that can answer questions about building RAG-powered chatbots. It's built with AstraDB and OpenAI. I can ask the DataStax extension about the databases in my account. I can see I have two databases, one for an F1 GPT and my RAG teacher database for this project. I can also see that they're both vector databases. So let's dig into our RAG teacher database. Okay, we have two collections, one called Python, the other called TypeScript. And it tells me the details about each of the vector stores. They both have 1536 dimensions and use dot product as a similarity metric. So we can ask things about our database, but we can also ask about how to use them. In this case, the DataStax extension gives detailed instructions of how to install and use the AstraDB TypeScript client to connect to the database. And you can ask about how to use the AstraDB dashboard, and the DataStax extension guides you through it. The DataStax extension for GitHub Copilot lets you build with AstraDB even faster by conversing with your database and all of the documentation via GitHub Copilot chat.